Hey YouTube, this is Will2176 and this is my clock 19 Gen 4. I have a 315 round magazine and also I have my 17 round magazine and two 33 round. Hope you like my video. Enjoy.